castles. European, when they build castle, they make, around the castle, they make like a moat tradition.
Yeah.
And but we build palaces and church monasteries in the very high places, very far away from water bodies, access. And instead of that, a moat, we built a big wall instead. If the first wall is broken, they have another backup, the second backup, second wall to restore, to defend. This is the oldest building, the very first building in this compound, built by the first king. Before build a big one, he just lived in here and he tested, they made an experiment. It's a testing building, it's a pilot project. It had 2 stories, it had a watchtower, everything's gone. It's a prototype, he checked everything, how the lime mortar did, the shape of the door, he tested everything in here.
Wow.
The original master builders, the original scientists of the world.
This would be your scale model.
Yes, family, this is the original history. This is the birth of civilization. Anything that you see that exists in the world today came from Ethiopia. Ethiopia is the foundation of the world.
Yeah.
And we are blessed to be
When
here.
we built these things, America doesn't exist that time.
America does not exist.
Yeah.
And family,
Yeah,
the British
but
will reap what they
Red
sow.
I mean, the Aborigines, Red Indians, they lived that time. No skyscraper, no building.
I mean, look at that tower.
Okay, we go here, we come here. You can see over there the kitchen, a big kitchen where they bake injera, the soup pancake, where they collect the powder teff, one of the ingredients for making injera.
So that was the kitchen for the castle?
Yeah, the whole, the big. There is another castle, another kitchen also, a small one. You know, the ladies come here. There is a ruined building there. That's the granary, the house of floor. Close to that, outside, there was a traditional beauty parlor. The women, they made anti-many eyeliner, like cool, braid their hairstyle, different style, and they make beautiful, and they will join to this compound. A gate dedicated for that purpose called the gate of a beauty maker.
I know this may be a sensitive question. I see you had water facilities. Did they also have sanitation facilities?
Yeah, from the king, he had a very a ground system, like a pipe system that time. But the soldiers, they went to the bush, you know. Yeah.
I understand.
Because they gather, they watch a compound, and they live. So that time it's very jungle, so they use boot toilets, a kind of that. But the king, they had their own things.
Thank you.
And here, they saw the big banqueting hall, the dining hall, built by Joshua, the third king. So when his gentlemen, they know when they came from different parts of the country, just to pay manual tax or tribute, when he collected the taxes, he rewarded them, he invited them here. And they returned. Everything's gone because of British, by the Dervish, and because of his age.
Yeah, I was watching that movie, London Falling, and
Yeah,
maybe
now
that's what's
from
coming
here
to them.
we go to the lion, then to the lion cage. We have a lion.
What were the lions kept for?
Yeah, we'll show you a symbol. I will tell you that.
But real lions were kept.
Real lions, yeah. You can have a picture here. You can do a movie here.
I'm sorry. This looks more like it was a garden or something.
Behind the Johannes Palais there is a cross because it's a religious king. The Hamper king. King Joshua, King Yahweh.
Wow, this is a bigger compound than I thought it was. Wow. I mean, you would not believe how big this compound is. I mean, I wish I could have seen how it looked originally before the evil, wicked British devils bombed it. Family, this is the cradle of civilization. This is where it all started. This is where it went down. This is our people. This is our history. We have to get back to our greatness. This is serious. That's why we are reaching out to our brothers and sisters, and we're pushing for repatriation, which is to return to the land of our ancestors for the purpose of nation building.
Zimbabwe.
Yeah. And that's why, family, we have to stay strong as a people. That way we will never have to go through these destruction again. Huh? London is falling. Or even better yet, so-called Great Britain is falling.
Okay, come in here.